Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you, everybody? This is Sajid, and you're watching my YouTube channel where I teach programming languages, right? So, in this video, I'm going to start a new series in which we will learn some basics of Kotlin programming language. So this is our chapter 1. It's sort of like introduction to Kotlin, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's take our pen. Okay, this is our pen and it can write. So what is Kotlin? Let's start with this. What is Kotlin? Kotlin is a modern language. It's trending language and it's a new language. It's not like Java or Python or C++, which are more than like maybe 20-25 years old. This language is quite new and released in 2016 by Jetbrains. Yeah, so it has become very popular since it's compatible with Java. So if you know Java, it's very easy to learn Kotlin, and these two programming languages, Kotlin and Java, they are the Kotlin is compatible with Java, right? So what does that mean? It's compatible. One of the most popular programming languages, which means that Java code and libraries can be used in Kotlin programs. Yeah, so this is quite interesting. So if you already have written something in Java and you want to use it in Kotlin programs, you can do that quite easily. So what are the main purposes of the Kotlin language? It's used for mobile application and especially for Android apps. Yeah, so if you are interested in developing Android applications, and you can learn Kotlin and start Android development. Further, it's used for the web development on the server side. So, and further, it's used in data science and much more, right? So it has got many applications, and I believe for one of the thing which can be of interest to you is Android application development, right? So if you learn Kotlin, you can Android apps can be done in Java as well. So but Kotlin is trending now. So if you are interested in mobile applications, then go with Kotlin. Okay, so why use Kotlin? Because these are the important reasons. Kotlin is fully compatible with Java. Kotlin works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, and even on the Raspberry Pi, etc. Okay, and Kotlin is concise and safe, and Kotlin is easy to learn, especially if you already know Java. So because we can use Java code in our previous libraries, or anything written in Java can be used with Kotlin, so it's going to be a little bit easy for you, and it's free to use, and there is a big community and support available to you. If you face issues, there are helping hands there, right? Okay, so these are some of the reasons to use Kotlin, and next we look at the very basic syntax. Okay, look at this part here, this example here. We have fun and main. So fun is not that kind of fun. The fun key is a keyword, and it's used to declare a function. Yeah, and a function is a block of code designed to perform particular task. In the example above, it declares the main function. So in this particular code, we are doing our hello world printing. So this is the most basic, you can say, program written in Kotlin, and the function or fun is declaring this function, and this is main function. So anything written in this function between these curly brackets will be executed. Yeah, like here we have this line, print line, and we mentioned it hello world, so hello world will be printed. So the main function is something you will see in every Kotlin program. The function is used to execute any code inside main functions, curly brackets, and that will be executed. In our example above, we have println function inside main, and meaning that this will be executed, and this function is used to output or print text, and in our example it will print hello world, right? So what you have noticed here, if you know like other programming languages, in Kotlin, code statements do not have to end with semicolon as in Java, for example. Right, so which is often required in other programming languages such as Java, C++, C#, etc. So here we don't have these semicolon here. Okay, so it's very straightforward to define or declare a function. We just write function and its name and curly this round brackets and then curly brackets, and whatever written there inside is executed. So this is how we define our function or our first program here. Okay guys, right, next is this is just some information for you. Main parameters. So before Kotlin version 1.3, it was required to use the main function with parameters like function main, arguments, array of strings. Yeah, so this was mandatory before version 1.3, but now you can avoid this. So before 1.3, our most basic program can be like this. So main function, there used to be like arguments or args, array string. There it was mandatory. So this is no longer required now, and the program will run fine without it. However, it will not do any harm if you have been using it in the past and will continue to use it, right? So students, so I will be wrapping up my this very short introduction. This was our chapter 1. We will be having more chapters. Similarly, I have a Java series on this site. If you want to learn Java as well, you can go to my Java tutorial. It has many videos on different topics in Java, so you can learn Java in quite detail here. So I will be back with another video very soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and please subscribe, share this channel with your friends and colleagues if you like the video. I'll be back with another video soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.